guys, welcome today for another video. Today we're gonna see how to make a title page for our project. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we're gonna go to Utilities and to Master Data, and then Form, and then Other. And we're gonna go to here to the title page cover sheet. You have to select title page cover sheet, and we're gonna select one type. You are free to choose whatever you want. For me, I choose this one, and we're gonna take a copy for it and rename it to title page, and then hit open. As you can see here, guys, the drawing is over the template. We're gonna select all the page, and we're gonna go to edit and graphic and then scale in order to reduce the size. So we're gonna select the the lower here, the lower corner here, and we're gonna make, for example, 0.7 as a scale. Still bigger. Let's rescale it again. 0.9, and as you can see here, guys, the drawing fits now the template great. And first thing first, we're gonna add some picture for our project. I'm gonna go to Insert and grab it and File, then choose any picture of our project and hit OK. For example, I choose this picture and drag it in the middle, and I will also load the logo of my company. For example, search, grab it, image file. For example, this is my company. It's not my company. So let's drag it over here. Okay. Okay. So now, guys, what we're gonna do is to make some changes here. For example, let's see this company name. We're gonna let it as it is, and greater city phone. We're gonna let all this as it is. And we're gonna, for example, this I don't need this two here. I'm gonna delete them, and we're gonna, for example, let's fit this field with the name. Let's change it for example, power supply. We're gonna look for power supply, and hit OK. For the info will be also the same thing. We're gonna change the field. And hit OK. Control voltage also same thing. Hit OK and OK. For the special customer operation, let's change this also. Special regulation. This. Okay. Now that's what you need for the moment, and yeah, that's very good. That's very nice. And what we're gonna do now is to go to the project properties, and change our field. For example, let's start by the project description. Let's make it low voltage enclosure, for example. For the project, for the company or customer short name. Customer short name is this will be look here if this already exists or not. If not, we're gonna go to the sunny icon and choose and look for customer customer short name, customer short name, customer short name review. And let's type here, for example, Schneider Electric. For example, this for example. And for the job number, for example, let's see. Let's type this number. You can type any number you want. It's basically the number of job you are working on. For me, for example, I put this number 0055. Project name, let's see. For the project name, we're gonna let it attribute. For the responsible for the project, we're gonna go to the study icon and type responsible. Let's see here. I think we already have responsible of the project. Yeah, that's it. Responsible for the preservation. Let's see, it's me. All this make it check. The name of the channel, example. For the last Eplan version, we're gonna let's just like this, and the manufacturer date. And the manufacturer date, let's go and look for it. I think it's already here for the manufacturer date. Manufacturer date, yeah. Here it is. It's already fit to the date of today, 7/25 and 2021. And for the type, let's see the type of the project, project type. Let's type of the project, yeah, schematics project, for example, it's already fit here. And project type. Let's look for project type. Project type. Yeah, it is. Let's make it schematic 49, for example. Yeah, that's it. For the place of installation, let's look for it. Place of installation here. Place of installation. Not giving us anything. I think it's already here. Yeah, that's it. Morocco. You're gonna type any other country if you want. For example, from French, from France, you can type France. For me, Morocco, I type Morocco. Okay, right, guys. Okay. Uh, then we're gonna go to power supply. For the power supply, I make it here 220, and you type whatever you want. For example, 400 volts or 380 volts, for example. For the input lead, it's the correct input lead. You don't have input lead in the order. Okay, input lead, we're gonna say 220 volts, yeah. Because the power supply is 380 volts, so the input lead is a little bit less than the power supply. Yeah. For the, for example, for control voltage, let's see, control voltage. I'm gonna say 24 volts DC, for example. And for the specific regulation, you're gonna see something like if you have any regulation you specify in the regulation here in the field. For me, I will put something like let's see regulation must, for example, or have wherein wherein PPE is mandatory, for example. For example, just example, you can type any specification. If you have any type of regulation, you have to type it here in the field and hit OK. And that's it, guys. Uh, we are done here. And in order to see the result for our title page, we're gonna go and close the page and create another page, new page. For example, once image applying page type, we're gonna go and choose I'm gonna choose title and cover sheet. Here. And for the description, title page, for example. And here, all name, for me, I'm gonna go and browse it. Title page, choose our title page. Upload frame name. Copy and see. Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. As you can see here, all the information has been uploaded successfully, and you have already set up a very beautiful and very neat title page. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. For this video, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that was very helpful for you. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.